4D double cab, I-Force 5.7 LV8 DOHC, 6-speed automatic electronic, 4WD, and one-owner clean Carfax. Best color. Your lucky day. Want to stretch your purchasing power? Well, take a look at this durable 2010 Toyota Tundra. You just simply can't beat a Toyota product. Designated by Consumer Guide as a recommended large pickup in 2010. All of Moses Downtown's pre-owned vehicles have been through a 117-point inspection at our award-winning service department. If you have a question, comment, or would like to schedule a test drive, please call us today at 304-343-5534. And be sure to check us out at www.mosesdowntown.com for our most up-to-date inventory and sales and service specials.